Hello everyone, greetings from Sarpan Consulting Services Private Limited. And today we are here with our new module video, that is Odoo as Inbox email interface. As you can see on our screen, it is available in version 14 and it requires only website module of our Odoo based modules. As you can see, it is also available in version 11, 12 and 13 for users. So let's go to our email module and check how we can work with this. When we install our module, we will be able to go to our users, and when we click on our particular user, there will be a new tab added of external email credentials. Here we can add the user ID or email ID and password of our email users. So what we need to do is we simply need to add your email ID, password, IMAP server and SMTP server details and select if there are number of accounts are going to be added, then which one is to be used as default. Once we have done that, then we will need to go to our settings of Gmail, and in our settings of Gmail we will need to enable our IMAP settings. In your forwarding and POP IMAP settings, we need to enable our IMAP settings, otherwise we will not be able to send mail using our module. Once it has been enabled, we will open on Google search and search less secure app. Once we have clicked on less secure app, then we will be shown a particular page in which we will be asked to enable to allow less secure apps. Once we have enabled this, then this particular email ID will be added in our users details. Once all these details are confirmed, then only your configuration will be completed. Once the configuration is completed, then you will be able to look at this personal email module in your system Odoo. So let's go to that personal email module and look at how it looks in your mails. So here, as you can see in our Gmail, we have several number of mails in my inbox. We have directly connected that email using our Gmail. So what we will be able to look at is here we will be able to look at all the mails from my Gmail in this module. Here, as you can see in this particular tab, you will be able to look at all the Gmail folders that are available, like all mail, bean, draft, sent mail, spam, and everything. If there are any user made folders and their mails are there, then they will also be displayed here in that module. Let's open this 123 folder in my Gmail also. So as you can see in my 123 label folder, there is only single mail that is here shown. So I'm going back to my inbox. Here I will be able to look at different number of buttons that are available. If we want, we can select particular mail and move that particular mail to a folder. If we want, we can make number of actions like mark as unread, mark as read, reply, forward, print, save. Everything can be done from our module directly. Here we will be able to select all the folders that are currently made available in our Gmail. If there is any mail that is spam, we can simply select and delete it or send it to spam folder using this. If we want to forward that mail to a particular person or contact, we will be able to do it directly using this. So let's open a particular mail and look at how it works. Here, as we open that mail, we will be able to look at all the details that are sent from your mail. So I'm going to my inbox and looking at that mail. So here there are only two mails sent from this this email. Okay, so it will be directly displayed here. If we want, we can simply reply to that mail using this. When we click on this reply button, it will create or open a new tab, and here all the details of your mail will be displayed with some formatting operations and CC and other details if there are to be added. Let's wait for opening that mail. As we can see here, we are shown some basic menus. Like if we want, we can directly create new and edit document from here. If we want, cut paste copy from here. If we want, we can add videos, image, link, special characters, everything from here. If there are any formatting to be done, we can directly do it from here. Here also a format bar is given to add that details. Here we can also add tables and every cell, row, etc. And if there is any source code to be added, we can add that also. If we want, we can reply with this mail inline also. Here we will be able to set or send the email using CC and BCC rules also. If we want, we can attach a file. If we want, we can simply save it as a draft. So I am simply going to save this mail as a draft, and I'm going to close this. So as we open that, let's go back to our inbox. Here there are multiple buttons available. As we can see here, there are folder creation buttons are also available, and some search filter buttons are also available. When we click on this advanced search, there are two types of search available. First one is basic search, in which you will be able to search through only email headers also only. And if we click on our advanced search, here multiple advanced options are available. Like if we want to search from and to buttons, CC buttons, or if we want to search for a particular folder, we can directly select that folder in our drop down. Is it a read or unread message? If it is flagged yes or no, if it has any attachment, if there is any size, or if any date, format, or filters are to be done, we can do it using this advanced search filter. As you click on this demo webmail or email ID, you will be able to look at here email ID that is available. If we have added multiple email IDs in our settings, then all the email IDs will be here visible, and we will be able to switch from one email ID to another email ID using this functionality. Here also we have some layouts available and some screens available. So if we want, we can simply change our skin of or color of our uh, particular module. So it can be directly done using that, and it will be applicable to our module. Here there is a function of address book also available. So when we click on contacts, we will be able to look at all the contacts that are available in our Odoo instance. So that will be directly available. As we go into our contacts, we also have a particular feature of showing details whether that particular person has done any activity through email also or not. So when we go to a contact, there is a tab of email activities added here. When we click on those email activities, we will be able to look at that whether there is any mail sent from this mail to him, or from that mail to this particular contact. and if there is any subject, when we click on that mail, we will be able to look at whole detail of our mail with body, subject, and everything. So this is how our module of Odoo as Inbox works. If you have any doubts or queries, you can directly contact us at contact@serpentcs.com.